I want to show you guys on how to dictate tokens or coins that will quickly pump on Binance app or Binance exchange. Are you getting it? Some of you have been asking me, boss lady, how do I know a token that want to pump on Binance exchange? So this is the video I am trying to make to reach out to as many that want it. Okay, now this is my Binance app. Okay, you see, this is my Binance app. So if you want to know tokens or coins that are going to pump in the next 72 hours in Binance exchange, this is how it is. Okay, you always watch out here. This place I circled. Okay, can you see what I'm doing? Watch out. Any coin you see here that carries this fire logo, any coin, just watch, it has changed. Another token has called HFT with fire. Anyone that doesn't carry fire logo, don't go for it. Are you getting it? Just keep watching there. Then you also find out, can you see ARB? This one that carry fire, you can buy it in the next 72 hours. It's gonna pump, and for you to be able to make any profit from any project, okay, if the coin skyrockets to like $20 and you're putting only $5, you're not going to make much profit. You even make up to even 200 naira or even 0.5 cents. Okay, so for you to be able to make a very big profit, you need like $300, $500 and above, so that as soon as you get to like 50%, you'll be making a cool amount of dollars from each of the movement or each of the move the token or the coin is making. Are you getting it? Now you check out this another place you dictate token that you can equally buy is when you come here. Okay, check out this new. If you click on new, you see all the tokens that are newly launched. Or you click on this new, you quickly see all the coins that are listed newly or recently listed. That is the meaning of new. Even if they are done now, if you buy it and give it like few days from now, it's good. You are going to see a great pumping coming into it or into them. Okay, that is it. Now I check out on hot. This hot are tokens that are pumping, in less than 24 hours. They have turned changed from green to from red to green. See, they are red in the market is down now. The next 24 hours, they'll pick up. It will start showing 10% green. The market to start going bullish. I get it. They are hot tokens or coin. They pump every time. Always they are pumping. Now the next place you can pick a token, you can check out this one again. All these ones on fire, you can pick them, buy them, $200, $300, $200 and keep. If you hit like 50%, you're making a big profit. Okay, another place is here, gainers. Gainers are the tokens that are gaining momentum. Gainers are tokens that are gaining momentum. Can you see? You see plus 62%, plus 61%, plus 66, 26, plus 23, plus 23, plus 21. So in this token, if you put like $200, you'll be making almost $13 or $15 from each of the projects. Thank you so much. Okay, these losers are coins that have already pumped before and they now went down in price. Doesn't mean they will not pumping. After like some weeks or couple of months, they'll take off. They will start pumping again. So these are the ways to know tokens that you can buy in Binance exchange, tokens that are going to pump in the next 24 hours. So thank you so much, guys. If you find this video helpful, subscribe, like, share and comment. Bye.